Now we will start learning about crochet shapes. Let's make a crochet flat circle today.
We already learned how to make single crochet and double crochet, and today we will start working on the shapes. The first shape that we're going to work today in this tutorial will be a circle. So let's see how to make a circle. So to make the circle, we will start with the slip knot. If you don't know how to make a slip knot, I will add a video in the description box and you can learn from there. And then we can make 4 chains. Once you have 4 chains, then we will use the 4th chain from hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the last chain, and we will work 12 double crochets in this stitch. For a double crochet, you wrap the yarn on the hook. Go in the last stitch. This is the very last stitch. Here the top loop will go, and we will make our first double crochet. Wrap the yarn on the hook and pull through first 2 loops. Wrap the yarn on the hook again and pull through next 2 loops. In the same way we will repeat again. Wrap the yarn on the hook, go back in the same space where we have created our first double crochet. Yarn over the hook and pull a loop through the chain. Now we have 3 loops. Wrap the yarn on the hook, pull through first 2 loops. Wrap the yarn on the hook, pull through next 2 loops. Let's try again. Wrap the yarn on the hook, go in the same chain where we have already made 2 double crochets. Wrap the yarn on the hook, pull through the chain, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through first 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the next 2 loops. In the same way we will keep working and make our 12 double crochets. So this is 3rd, 4th, 5th. I have completed my 12 double crochets and it looks like this. Now we will take the tail of the yarn and we will pull it. Once we start pulling, our hole will start closing. And with that we close the hole and we got our first round of circle. Now we will go in this is the first stitch, and we will bring our hook in the first stitch. Wrap the yarn on the hook, pull through the chain, and now we will go and pull through the loop as well. This is called slip stitch, and this is often used in the joining the rounds. This is a smaller stitch. It doesn't add any height to the stitch and secure the work as well. Now we will make 2 chains and start the second round. For the second round we need to make 2 double crochets in each stitch. So we will make first double crochet in the first stitch and second double crochet in the same stitch. Same process for the next stitch. This is the next stitch. In this we will repeat the same process, making 2 double crochets in the same stitch. We are trying to keep our work flat and rounded. That will be done using increasing. If you don't know what is increased stitch, I will add the video in the description and you can learn from there. And increase is basically you add an extra stitch to widen your fabric. In the same way we will keep working 2 double crochets around, and I'll see you at the end of round. I have completed my second round and I have 12 double crochets here. Now I will make a slip stitch on top of the first stitch, just like we did in the previous round. We'll go in the top of the first stitch here, wrap it on the hook, pull it, and we will go straight away and pull through the loop on the hook as well. And that's how we secured our work, joined the work by making a slip stitch. For the next round, round number 3, we will make 2 chains, and then we will make 2 double crochets in the first stitch, just like we did in the previous row. Now we need to make 1 double crochet on the top of next stitch. For third round, we change the pattern, make 2 double crochets in the next stitch and 1 double crochet in the next, 2 double crochets in the next, and 1 in next. This is the pattern that we will follow throughout this round. 2 double crochets in next stitch and 1 double crochet in the following stitch. In the same way, we will go around and complete the round, and we will make the slip stitch on the top of first stitch to join. So for this round, you have to make 2 double crochets in one stitch and 1 double crochet in the next. Repeat the process. I have completed my third round and I have 36 double crochets. Now I will join on the top of the first stitch by making the slip stitch. Now for the next round, we will repeat the same process just like did. In the same way, we will work around the circle, and to keep it flat like this, we will keep increasing every second stitch, every third stitch, every fourth stitch. For the third round, we increased every second stitch. There was a 2 double crochets in the first stitch and 1 in the next. Now we will keep going and keep increasing. Let me show you. Okay, our first round was round 1 was 1 double crochet, like there were 12 double crochets. In the second round, we have 2 double crochet in each stitch, and in total we have 24. In third round, we increased every second stitch, so we made 2 double crochets and then 1 in next. So in total we had 36 stitches. In the fourth round, we will repeat the same process. We will make 2 double crochets in the first stitch and then 1 double crochet in next, 1 in next. In total we will have 48. In the same way, we will keep working in the process. For the fifth round, we make 2 double crochets, then 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet and 1 double crochet. Then you can get the number of stitches, increase number of stitches. 12 stitches should increase in every round basically. For the sixth round, we will repeat the same process. We can make the circle as big as we want. We just need to keep repeating the process. In the fifth round, we made increase every fourth stitch. Here we will increase every fifth stitch. First we will increase in the first stitch, then we make 1 double crochet, and then we will make 2 double crochet in the next. So in the same way, it will keep increasing. I hope you understand the concept and find it easy to make the circle, flat circle like this. If you like the video and understand the concept, please give a like to this video and tell me in the comments how did you find it. If you have any difficulty in the making, you can ask your questions in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching. See you next video.